Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you this gorgeous eyeshadow palette from Chanel. This was in the Beige collection that was recently launched, and this is the Natural Eyeshadow Collection eyeshadow palette. I mentioned this in my recent haul video and I was lucky enough to get it from Nordstrom. As I mentioned in that video, which I will link just up here, it is no longer available at Nordstrom because it was limited edition, and it did take around about 4 weeks to get to me here in New Zealand, but it is still available on the Chanel website. So I will leave links below to how you can get this palette, and if you'd like to know more, please keep watching. Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Welcome to my channel, and I really appreciate you joining me today. This palette is just gorgeous. I probably didn't need another eyeshadow palette, especially in the neutral tones that I am so often drawn to, but I'm so pleased I got this. It is quite similar to some other palettes that I have, but I am so happy I have this. It is beautiful. It's what I'm wearing on my eyes today, and I will show you the tutorial of how I applied these shadows to get this very natural everyday look. You can use these shadows to give yourself a dramatic smoky look, and I have achieved that by using this beautiful sort of pewter silver color, and it is absolutely stunning on the eyes. So please let me know in the comments below if you'd love to see an eye look using that beautiful pewter shade, and I'm happy to do that. I love this palette. It has a mixture of some beautiful shimmers and some mattes in here. Comes with your two little travel size brushes. I actually do appreciate my travel brushes in my eyeshadow palettes, especially if I am traveling. It is a beautiful size palette to take traveling, as it's not too big, but you have your 9 shadows in here. Has a lovely mirror, which is perfect for applying in natural daylight if you need to move around. Absolutely love this palette. The description on the Chanel website is that this is an eyeshadow palette that is ideal for blending and layering. This limited edition eyeshadow palette features 9 intense neutral shades with matte to shimmering finishes. These are the shadows close up. They are a very soft formula, as you can see from the 2 shadows along the bottom here. You can see indentations of where I have used my brushes to dip into these shadows. I find that yes, they are soft in the pan. I got very minimal fallout, but the blendability was just amazing. This retails for $70 US, so that does put it in the pricey range for an eyeshadow palette. I am not unhappy that I have got this. It has 9 shades in here. It is beautifully packaged. It comes, as in with all Chanel palettes, in its little velvet case. So I'm going to keep my velvet case for when I use this palette for travel. I have purchased in the past a lot of the Chanel Quad eyeshadow palettes, and I've always been impressed with those. But the formula in this one in particular, they are a lot softer and a lot more easy to blend than any of the quads that I've had in the past. So I am extremely happy with this palette. So obviously I love the palette. I'm extremely excited that I have it. Before we get started too guys, as I mentioned in a video, I will leave the link here, on my press-on nails. I just thought I would show you my latest little addition to my collection, but this beautiful blingy set of nails that come with a variety of different patterns and finishes. They have rhinestones, they have a chrome finish on it. So these are beautiful. So I will leave a link below to where you can source these beautiful Kiss press-on nails. Now, if you would like to see how I created this eye look using these beautiful eyeshadows from this palette, please keep watching. I still don't know if I've got the colour of my camera right, but we are going to persevere, and I'm going to spend my school holidays playing with my camera settings to try and get everything just right. So in this tutorial we are going to use this stunning palette from Chanel. So I've started with my eyes primed with my Tarte Shape Tape and set with loose powder, and we shall tuck into this palette. I'm going to take the first creamy shade here, and it's a beautiful shimmery colour, and all over the lid it is beautiful for the underbrow highlight, as well as a beautiful shade all over the lid. I love the cute little compact palette and the mirror in the palette. Okay, to just show you that the shadows in this palette are very soft. You can see the indentations in these shadows from my brushes using them, but I haven't found much fallout and they do blend beautifully. I'm going to go in with a Morphe R37 brush, and I'm going to go in with this warm brown here and just lightly just might blend the cream bit here just a little bit. And you can see my lovely eyebrows as they like to head south. They don't like staying up. So going in with that neutral brown, and I am just going to go in on the high area here in my hood, trying to deepen up that space in my hooded area of my eye. Hopefully the colour is better. That looks more natural now. I've probably spent about an hour and a half trying to fiddle with the settings on my camera. But I actually think that looks okay. Phew. I'm now going to take a Sonia G Pencil Pro brush, and I'm going to go in with this brown in the corner here just a little bit deeper and go in my outer third of the eye. Just tapping that in with the pencil brush, deepening up the outer corner of my eye, and then I am going to take that in the crease, just where your eyeshadow brush will nestle in around your eyeball, and then taking it up to give the illusion of a higher crease for myself, as I wasn't blessed with a lot of lid space, so I go up rather than down. I just love this eyeshadow palette. I'm so pleased I was able to get my hands on it. Now I always like to go back in and blend, and I always go in with my first blending brush and just marry those all together. Now for a very easy, if I wanted to go to work, out the door look, I could stop there, but of course I'm going to keep going. I'm actually going to use the same brush, and I'm going to go in with this more maroony brown colour, and I am just going to do the outer corner with that colour. Going back in with the original blending brush and just softening those edges. I actually just love these brows. Every time I get a brush near it, they just... I'm probably due to have them microbladed again very shortly. Now last time I did my eyes, I went in with this stunning silver colour for a very smoky look, but I'm going to go in with this nice pinky shimmery shade today, just for a more daytime look, because I actually have to go out and do my groceries. But if you would like to see a smoky look using that beautiful silvery taupey colour, because it's just divine, I am happy to do that. So I'm going to go in with this nice pink shimmery shade. Nothing crazy, no cut crease, just adding it to my lid. Going back in with our original blending brush, and I'm going to go back in with this mid-toned brown, just to blend and marry all of that together. So just a really soft look. I'm going to go in with a tiny little wee pencil brush and go in with the creamy colour again. Just pop that in my inner corner. Taking a flat little shader brush, I will take the blending colour, blending brown that I used, and just run that under my eye. I'm taking the Dose of Colours little wee brush that I really like. I'm going to go in with the maroony brown colour and just add that to the outer third of my under eye. I'm quickly going to add some black liner. I'm using the Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Liner in Blacker. Just going to tight line my top lid. Add a very quick coat of mascara. Okay guys, so that's the finished look using this beautiful Chanel eyeshadow palette. I love it. But then I love all my neutral eyeshadow palettes, and this is seriously no exception to my choices. I am so thankful I got my hands on it. I have just created a very neutral, natural look that I can wear during the day, but with this palette you can definitely get a dramatic smoky look. If you are interested in seeing that, please let me know down in the comments down below and I will definitely film that for you. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, a comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you would like to see any other videos from me, please feel free to tap or click on either of the links here and you would be able to see more videos from me. I hope you've all had a beautiful and a wonderful day and I look forward to seeing you next time. See you later guys. Bye.